Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this time I share some LET review for the general education new curriculum. This is intended for the upcoming LET board examination this year 2023.
But
My
before that,
screen.
please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're updated for all my uploads.
So this is specifically for statistics and probability. So this is 10 randomly questions for statistics and probability. So I'm doing my math tutorials and together with the LET review, free LET review for the mathematics subject. Also for the math majors. So we have here question number 1. The most frequent score in a distribution is A, mean, B, median, C, midpoint, and D, mode. So since most frequent, so the answer here is D, mode. Second, the standard deviation of the population means A, the sample standard deviation, B, the population variance divided by the population mean, C, the population variance divided by the square root of the sample size, and D, the square root of the population variance. Since standard deviation is always the square root of the variance. So since a population standard deviation, so that is the square root of the population variance. And to get the variance, you are going to square the standard deviation. So the answer here is letter D. Question number 3. We have probability. A die is tossed. What is the probability of tossing an odd number? So we all know a dice has 6 faces. 1 to 6. So odd numbers, there are 1, 3, odd numbers 1, 3, and 5. So 1, 3, 5. Odd number in a die. So there are 3. 3 is the sample. And then the total sample space we have here 6. 6 spaces of a die. So 3 over 6, or that is 1/2. So the answer is letter B. Next, question number 3. A single die is drawn from a deck of cards. What is the probability that the card is drawn is either a queen or a spade? How many queen cards? There are 4. 4 over 52 queen cards. And then, or a spade. So we have or, so you are going to add this one. Or, and then spade, there are 13. 13 over 52. That is spade or palo. So minus the common. We have a common queen na spade. So we have minus 1 over 52. So we have minus, I'll try to erase. So again, we have queen is 4 over 52 plus spade, we have 13 over 52, since that is or, and then minus their common queen na spade. So we have 1 over 52. So you are going to add first this one. So this is 17. 4 plus 13, 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 over 52. So the answer, divide by 4. So that is 4 over 13. So the answer is letter D. Question number 5. Evaluate the permutation of 9 taken 3. So we all know that permutation you can use in a calculator. That is 9 NPR. You can use your calculator. NPR taken 3. You can use your scientific calculator. So that is in the formula there, that is n factorial over n minus r factorial. R factorial. N minus r factorial. So that is 9 factorial. 9 factorial divided by, that is 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 factorial. 9 minus 3 is, we have 6. So we have there 9 factorial divided by 6 factorial. So therefore, from 9 factorial, 9 times 8 times 7, since 6 factorial over 6 factorial, you will cancel this one. So makancel na siya. So remaining there is 9 times 8 times 7. So the answer is 504. So letter C. Next, when a student are seated at a circular table, we consider only their positive relative position to each other and not concerned with the particular seats so that a person occupies. So how many arrangements are there for 8 students to sit themselves around a circular table? So we have a circular permutation. In a circular permutation, we have there, the formula is n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 factorial always. So there are 8. So 8 minus 1. So 8 minus 1 is 7. So 7 factorial. What is 7 factorial? So the answer is 5,040. 5,040. So letter A. Question number 7. If 20 people won prizes in a state lottery, how many ways were there for these 20 to win the first, second, third, fourth? Since we have the arrangement, so this is a permutation. We have a specific rank, first, second, third, and fourth. So this is 20. We have 20 permutation taken 4. So that is NPR, 20 NPR taken 4. So the answer is letter B, 116,280. Next question number 8. Next question number 8. The following are the response time of a smoke alarm after the release of smoke from a fixed course. We have 12, 9, 11, 7, 9, 14, 6, and 10 seconds. Find the range. So we all know that to find the range, that is highest minus the lowest. So range is equal to highest minus the lowest. So the highest here is 14 minus The lowest is 6. So 14 minus 6, the answer is 8. So letter A. Question number 9. From a bag containing 8 black balls, 6 white balls, and 4 red balls, one ball is drawn at random. What is the probability that the ball is drawn is not the red? So since the total there, we have 8, 8 plus 6 plus 4. So we have 18. And the red is, there are 4 over 18, 4 red balls, 4 over 18. So therefore, 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4 is 14, 14 over 18. That is the probability of not red. Since there are 18 and then the red here is 4, so 18 minus 4, so 14 over 18, or divide, reduce to lowest term, divide by 2 over 2. So the answer therefore is 7 over 9. So letter D, 7 over 9. Question number 10. In a biology class, there are 20 freshmen, 18 sophomores, and 12 juniors. If the freshman average is 68 in an examination, the sophomores average 75, and the junior average 86, what is the mean grade for the entire class? So this is the weighted mean. So how to find the average? You are going to use the weighted mean average. So you multiply here. First is 20 multiplied by 68 for the freshman, 68 added to, or you can have 68 times 20. There are 18 sophomores, so 18 times their average 75, and then plus 12 times, we have there 86. So letter A, 70.84, letter B, 74.84, letter C, 84.84, D, 74.32. So the answer is 74.84. So if there is a corresponding weight, so you are going to find not only their average, but their weighted mean average. So letter B. Okay, thank you for watching. This is our first review for the general mathematics course, new curriculum. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe for the new updates of the next review for the general mathematics.